All right, well, I don't know if you can tell. We're in the middle of a blizzard right now. It took me about 20 minutes to scoop the driveway and get this car cleaned off. I have to head out to the post office, but right next to the post office, about a fifth of a mile away, I think, is a Goodwill. So we're going to hit a Goodwill in the middle of a blizzard. We'll see what we can find. We'll see how much they put out during a blizzard. I'm not sure. I went last year during a blizzard, and I can't remember how well I scored. So let's find out here real quick. The plow truck just went by, so this is the time to make a break for it. It's freezing. Freezing. All right, well, the first thing I do after I grab a cart is at this Goodwill, I make a beeline for toys. For some reason, that's just how I roll. And I'm looking hard. Some of those 3D puzzles can do good, not that one. Party stuff. And here I found a Revell game, not bad comps, $1, automatic cart toss. We're going to throw that in the cart, obviously. Nothing else great. No great plushes on any kind of magnitude to make a fuss over. And by the way, I had to lower the volume of the video here and do a little voiceover due to the fact that they were just blasting copyrighted music way too loud. Next thing I do is I go to the books. I generally don't buy a whole lot of books, but I do look for certain ones, textbooks, books on very obscure subjects, and I scan. Didn't find too many of those today, but I hit this Goodwill often, so I kind of recognize automatically if there's any new books. Didn't see any. Next thing I do is I go into the electronics. Looking for those DVD VCR combos, receivers, older electronics. There's a camcorder. It wasn't a high 8. I looked for those Sony high 8s, but that was just low quality. Here's an interesting telephone. It's one of those things that you set to auto ring. Used in businesses. Very old, probably 40s or 50s. There I go, jerking the camera like an idiot. Sorry about that. Place that in the cart. Looking for any old electronics. This was interesting. Right here, it's the old police scanner. I don't know if it was by Sears or Cobra, I can't remember, but it uses a punch card system. That was really neat. I haven't seen those in forever. Punch card electronics are really hard to find. The comps on it were horrible, so no bother. And the comps on the phone weren't great themselves, so I put that back. Not to mention the cord was all kind of rat-tailed, so yeah, that's a no-go. Always scan the pictures, nothing great. Always look for older Halloween stuff, but all modern stuff. They still have Halloween stuff in this Goodwill, even in January. Brick-brack miscellaneous. Inventory today, it was okay, but it was kind of stale. There was a few new things, but probably what you would expect from a blizzard. And there wasn't too many people there as well, which I'm fine with that. Home goods aisle. Nothing that great. Looking for Pyrex or Friggies. Didn't see any. Kind of crafty Christmas section. Nothing vintage there. Kitchen appliances. Nothing to write home about. Air fryers. For some reason, my Goodwill always has 3 or 4 air fryers. I don't know why. Cups. Always look for cool cups, vintage, anything like that. And then I always check out the media, the DVDs, the CDs. I look for obscure things, obscure TV shows and series I've never seen before. There's one. I searched it. There wasn't great comps for it. But I always keep my eye out for stuff I haven't seen, documentaries. You'd be surprised what certain DVDs will go for these days. And always check around the registers. This is right near the registers. They just put these out. If you don't know what they are, they're by Oakley. They were put out by Buckle. They're actually can holders for like a camping trip. Really good comps. Really good comps. You see them, check them out. I grabbed both of them. I checked the shoes. I thought those might be my size. They were not. Looking for a 16 Triple E, but I was looking, for other higher end shoes. Didn't see anything that great. A few possibilities. Really slim pickings on the entire shoe section. Then I always check the bags. You never know. Here's a tip. If you're looking through a model like I have here, if you want to know if it's complete, make sure you have the decals. And here's a tip. Check the glue. If the glue is unused, chances are the kit is complete. And it also has the instructions, so it was a obvious grab. So this is interesting. This was a chef's or a Camp Chief oven, propane oven. Really good comps on it. But when it came down to it, it was just too beat up, and it wasn't sparking correctly. And it was 29 or 25 bucks, just not worth it. There's a Disney mug, 20 bucks. You can buy it for 8 on eBay. Go figure. Love that Goodwill. Good pricing. I saw they put a bunch of hats out, and this was the last buy of the day. I found a Cat Diesel Power hat, or Power Systems hat. Great score. So overall, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Not bad for a quick in and out. I wanted to leave as soon as possible because we have about another 6 to 12 inches coming down in the next 2 hours, so I wanted to get home as soon as possible. I got my bread, I got my milk, got my packages sent, and a couple things to list. So less than $8. Not bad. I'll keep you updated to how those things sold. It's just wrong that you sweat when it's so cold. It don't make any sense. Check you later. Thanks for watching.